When it comes to enhancing your home's aesthetics, energy efficiency, and value, professional window installation is a key factor. Whether you are considering a window replacement or a full remodel, finding the right team of window installers is crucial for achieving long-lasting and satisfying results. If you're in Sanford, here's a guide on the top qualities to look for when hiring professional window installers. Experience and expertise. The experience level of a window installer can significantly impact the quality of the job. An experienced team is more likely to foresee potential issues, prevent costly mistakes, and deliver top-notch service. Look for companies with a proven track record of successful installations and ask how long they've been in the industry. Knowledgeable installers are also more adept at handling various window types, from double-hung and bay windows to energy-efficient vinyl and specialty custom designs. Reputation and reviews. In today's digital age, checking online reviews is a great way to gauge a window installation company's reputation. Platforms like Google, Yelp, and even social media pages often host customer feedback that can provide insights into the experiences of previous clients. Look for common themes in reviews. Consistent praise for professionalism, punctuality, and quality work are all signs of a reliable installer. Asking for references or testimonials from past clients can also give you a deeper understanding of their service standards. Proper licensing and insurance. Working with licensed and insured window installers is non-negotiable. Licensing ensures that the installer adheres to state and local building codes, while insurance provides you with protection in case of any mishaps during the installation. In Sanford, hiring a licensed professional helps ensure compliance with safety regulations and industry standards. Before making any commitments, verify that your installer carries valid general liability insurance and workers' compensation coverage. This simple step can save you from significant legal and financial headaches down the line. Strong communication skills. Effective communication is key to a smooth and stress-free window installation experience. Reliable window installers will take the time to listen to your needs, discuss options, and keep you informed throughout the process. They should also be responsive to your questions and provide clear explanations regarding the timeline, costs, and expected outcomes. Open, honest, and frequent communication is a hallmark of professionals who prioritize customer satisfaction. Commitment to quality materials. Quality window installation starts with using high-grade materials. Professional window installers will not cut corners when it comes to the windows themselves, the frames, or the sealants used during installation. Ask your prospective installer about the types of materials they use, and whether they offer energy-efficient options, like double-glazed or low-E glass. The right materials will improve your home's comfort, energy savings, and overall value. Comprehensive warranties. The best professional window installers stand behind their work with strong warranties. This can include warranties on labor and the windows themselves. A solid warranty is a sign that the installer is confident in their skills and is committed to delivering lasting results. Make sure to read and understand the warranty terms to avoid any surprises should you need to utilize it in the future. Attention to detail. The difference between an average window installation and an exceptional one often lies in the details. Professional installers will meticulously measure and ensure that the windows fit perfectly, preventing air leaks, drafts, and water infiltration. Attention to detail extends to the finish work, cleanup, and how well they respect your home during the process. Clean job sites and careful handling of your property are hallmarks of a reputable installer. Fair and transparent pricing. While you don't want to skimp on quality, finding an installer who offers competitive and transparent pricing is vital. Reputable professionals will provide detailed estimates with no hidden fees and break down the costs for labor, materials, and any additional services. A trustworthy installer will ensure you understand exactly what you're paying for and why. Flexibility and custom solutions. No two window installations are exactly the same. Your needs and style preferences may vary, requiring custom solutions tailored to your home's specific architecture and design. Professional window installers in Sanford should be adaptable and offer solutions that meet your unique requirements. From custom-shaped windows to special glass coatings, the right installer will help bring your vision to life. In conclusion, hiring the right window installer in Sanford involves looking for professionals with the right blend of experience, licensing, reputation, and customer service. By choosing a team that checks all these boxes, you can ensure your window installation project is seamless, long-lasting, and adds true value to your home.